Looking for a gaming processor that delivers serious power? The AMD Ryzen 9 5900X packs 12 cores and 24 threads to push your favorite games beyond 100 FPS, giving you smooth, responsive gameplay that keeps you ahead of the competition. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or streaming your sessions, this chip handles it all with ease. What makes the 5900X stand out is its 4.8 GHz max boost and unlocked design, letting you fine-tune performance through overclocking. It also supports DDR4-3200 memory and PCIe 4.0 on compatible X570 and B550 motherboards, future-proofing your build with cutting-edge technology. Plus, with 70 MB of cache, it efficiently manages workloads to keep things running fast and smooth. Users across the U.S. rave about this CPU. One gamer shared how upgrading from a Ryzen 9 3900X to the 5900X was worth every penny, praising its consistent power and reliability over time. Another creative professional highlighted how it transformed their audio production workflow, handling complex projects that previously caused crashes on older processors. A quick heads up, the 5900X runs hot under load, sometimes hitting temperatures above 90 degrees Celsius with the stock AMD Wraith Stealth cooler. Many users recommend pairing it with a high-performance aftermarket cooler like the Scythe Fuma 2 to keep temperatures in check and maintain stable performance during intense sessions. If you're upgrading from an older motherboard, make sure to update your BIOS before installing the 5900X to avoid compatibility issues. Once set up, this processor offers a smooth, powerful experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling demanding creative tasks. What you get with the Ryzen 9 5900X is a processor that balances raw power and efficiency, capable of handling everything from high-end gaming to professional workloads without breaking a sweat. It's built on the Advanced Socket AM4 platform, making it a versatile choice for serious PC builders. Worth a look if you want a CPU that delivers on both speed and multitasking ability. The Ryzen 9 5900X isn't just a chip, it's the foundation for a powerhouse PC that keeps up with your ambitions and grows with your needs. If that's you, consider making the switch to the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. Try it when you're ready to experience a noticeable jump in performance and reliability that keeps you in the game longer and works harder when it counts.